Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how if works with R and N. Plus, I have included some more things in this video which will be of interest to you. Kindly watch till the end to see all the features which I have included and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let us go over to the next page. I have already prepared and kept a table ready to save time. These are the calories. I got this from internet. Every website has its own calories for each item. So I have put a disclaimer here. This is only to learn Excel. This is not an advice on diet. Okay. Let's do something. I'll try to calculate the calories as per this table. I'll try to calculate the calories we consume for breakfast here, for lunch here, and for dinner here. So I'll take these three columns for breakfast. Okay, I have selected three columns. Without merging the cell, what I will do is I'll click on this. You can say Control 1. This will come. Just go to this alignment. Say center across selection. Okay. So these are not merged cells, but you see the effect of the cells being merged. Then from here I will take lunch calories. For this I'll say Control 1, center across selection. This is done. I'll borrow this format painter. I'm putting the same color. Then this, I'll give a gap here. Then I will say dinner calories. I can just say, I'll select this format painter and I'll see that center across selection has also come automatically when we do format painter. Okay, now okay, I'll take here, I'll take because our items are starting in this row, so I have created one row here. I'll say grams. So since I have copied this, no, these features have come here. Grams, how many grams of a particular food item I have eaten. Then what else? How many calories? Two, I think two columns are enough. Calories, I have got. Two columns are enough. I'll select column H. I'll say, let's before deleting the column, let's see if I need those columns or not. Suppose I have consumed 100 grams of this item. I should get let us suppose not 100, I'll say 80. 100 grams of this particular item will give 155 calories. Okay, assuming that to be correct, we'll move forward. So I have, let us suppose I have consumed 80 grams of this item. How many calories will I get? So this into this divided by 100. So I'll get 125 calories. Okay. I think I'll remove this H column. Okay, these two columns are enough for me. Similarly, these two columns are enough. Here I am deleting the entire column, only two columns. So I'll put a lines for these so that, okay, then let us suppose I have consumed 6 grams of this item. I'll say drag. Okay, here I'll say, okay, 5 grams, 30 grams, 5 grams of brown sugar. I'll take my total here, 219. Suppose here, come to this place, I'll say I had 100 grams of rice is equal to this into this divided by this. I'll copy the formula, Control C copy, I'll paste here, then from here I'll not that place, I have to paste it here, copy, paste, I'll drag the formula till the end. So I got a lot of zeros here. I'll say, see, when I click on this 100, I have to again check whether it is rice or roti or papad with this small selection here, 12. We are standing in row 12. So we will create a marker which marks both your columns and rows. We'll create here. Okay. Now this is roti, 100 grams of roti. Let us suppose I have consumed. Then see the kind. How many calories? I have consumed 395 if I don't eat anything. So potato curry, 60 grams, 50 grams of curd. See. Okay. Now we'll copy this here. Grams. How many grams I have consumed and how many calories I am getting out of this. So and then here maybe here I'll put the formula. Grams consumed, which are at present 0, into calories divided by grams. So let's see, for 100 grams of this item, I'm getting 155 calories. if I put 100 grams here, I should get 155. Then only you can say my formula is correct. Okay. If I say 200, it should say 310. Yes. Now you drag it till the end. It's okay. Now put the total here. Copy and paste the total. Control C, Control V. Then I'll put another thing here. Okay. See. What is the total? I'll put for these also. I'll put margins. Here I'll say total calories consumed. Okay. I'll select this and I'll say center. I will take center. Okay. Then I'll take a box here. In the box, I will say is equal to sum C. Okay. Then I'll take, say we are getting decimals here. I don't want decimals. If you want decimals, do like this. You don't want decimals, go like this. Supposing somebody wants 4 decimals, like this. I don't want decimals here. Okay. I'll center this figure. Okay. I'll put some color. Bold. Now here I'll put a calories limit. I'll put, supposing there is a limit on calories, self-imposed limit. Let us suppose I have imposed a restriction on myself saying that I should not eat more than 1000 calories per day. Let us suppose I have placed that here. And this cell is, what is the address of this cell? P1. P1 is what? Column P, row 1. P1. Instead of calling P1, I can as well give it a name. It's called naming. See, this is a name box. See the name. See, it says name box. So select this figure, they select this cell, go to name box, just say calories limit. Okay. Calories. You can do the same thing from define name here. Right click and define name. Okay. See, now it doesn't say P1. When you go to this cell, it is not taken or what? Calories. Okay, there must be, there is already a same, there is already the name calories limit is already existing. That's why it didn't take. So P1 I have selected, go to name box, select name box, just say calories limit. Okay. You can't give a gap here. While giving a name, you can't give a gap. See, you go, it doesn't say P1. This, it says Q1. This is O1. This is not P1. You can call it P1 also. But while giving additions and subtractions, you can call it P1. Or you can call it calories limit also. There is a, it has been given a name now. So, okay. Okay. Now, we will put some remarks here. Okay. I'll remove borders here. So here, select this place. We'll give a command here. Our calories limit is this much. and the total calories for the items that are being consumed, the total of these three figures is this much. So we'll put a figure here. Since these total calories are exceeding the limit which we have set for ourselves, we'll put a remark here is equal to if, we'll take this, if O20 we have total calories. If O20 is greater than, we need not say P1, we can say see calories limit. This is the name which we had created just now. We are using the name here. If O20 is greater than calories limit, then what it should say, double quotations I have started since it is alpha. If it is numerical, no need for double quotation. So we will say reduce calories. It's an advice. Otherwise, value if false. Otherwise, again double quotations since it is alpha, calories okay. Close double quotations, close brackets. Okay. So it says since our limit is 1000 and the limit has been crossed here. That's why it says reduce calories. It's giving an advice. So suppose I remove some of the things here. So it says 50, then 50. Now I have reduced it to 920 less than 1000. Then it says calories okay. So I don't need this much box. I'll go for no borders. I'll take only this much. Okay. I'll say outside borders. Supposing if I cross 1000, it says reduce calories. If I do not cross 1000, it says calories okay. Okay. Let us put one more thing here. I'll select this cell and I will say conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is under home conditional formatting. Conditional formatting highlight cells text that contains, supposing we have calories okay and reduce calories. No, I'll go with what we see here. If we say okay, then it should say green color. See, okay. And it may also say reduce calories. In that case, do it again. Text that contains reduce. If it says reduce, a red color. Now see, I'll put 150 here, automatically red color has come. If I say it's good if I take it like this. No border only for this. So if I say, if I reduce it below 1000, green color. If the limit is crossed, it's red color. So this is our, you can also, supposing here it is red color now, and somebody says his limit is 1200, then what happens? The color will become green. See, in this case the limit is 1200 and the consumed is less than 1200, it says okay. If somebody's limit is 800, it says already it shows red color. Okay, I'll keep it like this. Then what else we can see here? Suppose I don't want zeros to be seen here. So what I will do is I'll give a command like this. Suppose if R, I'll use all these three. If C5 is blank, double quotations 2 times is blank. If C5 is blank or D5 equals blank or F5 equals blank, bracket close, comma, then this cell should also be blank. Otherwise do this. If I put enter, it will ask for another bracket. It is asking for another bracket. So I'll see, now it is clear. I'll repeat this here. If can we use AND here? No. See, I will use AND and see what is the problem. If in this case C5 is equal to blank and D5 is equal to blank, this condition requires all the three to be blank at the same time. And this one is what? E, F, G, H, I. E, F, G, H, I. This is I. I5 equals blank, close bracket. If all these three are blank, then keep this cell also blank. Otherwise I5 into D5 divided by C5, close bracket. Okay. Suppose and what happens if this is blank? See the difference between, here we have taken if and or, here we have taken if and. Suppose any of this 1, 2 or 3, any of these three are blank, then it will create not any but all of the three should be blank, then only it will be blank here. See, this is blank, and this, only then it is blank. If you give something here, problem. So here what we are using, I'll fill this up. Here we have used the formula if and or. If this is blank, no problem. Okay. If this is blank, no problem. If this is blank, no problem. This is blank, no problem. Supposing here I am putting a value here I'm putting a value here. See the difference. The command taken here is if and end. If and end. I'm using if with and. It gives problem here. If here I'm using if with or. So there is a subtle difference. You have in this situation you have to use or, because here what we say is if all the three cells are blank, then only this will be blank. Okay, so what we have to do is here also you should use. Now copy this. Okay, now it is correct. Here we'll again put the same formula. If or, click on this, just click on this, is equal to double quotations, comma, click on this, is equal to double quotations. Now that means if C, how do you read this? I'll put one more and I'll tell you how to read this. L5 is blank. Put this cell also, make this cell also blank, otherwise do this. Come to this place, just say. Okay. Now, see, I'll drag this. How do you read this cell, ORR? It should be written, it should be read like this. If C5 is equal to blank or D5 is equal to blank or L5 is equal to blank, then keep this cell also blank. Otherwise, do this, L5 into D5 divided by. So if any of the cells are blank, so there is no point, you won't get the formula. If out of this cell or this cell or this cell, out of these three cells, any one cell is blank, then you will not get the answer. That's why I'm making it blank. If all the three cells have some number, only then you will get an answer here. That's why. Okay. Now, this we can change, limit we can change. Okay. This operates like this. And I was talking about that the display. Supposing I select this 150, I have to, I'm not sure whether it is popper, whether this is rice or whether this is roti. So I want to put a shade for this column and for this particular row which I select. Okay, let us go and see. To get that effect, let's go to developer. If a developer tab is not visible in your Excel, then go to file, options, go to customize ribbon, then see here developer. It is already checked here. This box has to be checked. Okay, if we check this box, say okay. Then let us go to Visual Basic. Where is this, where do you want this effect of having a shaded column and shaded row? We want that in sheet 1, not in the other sheet. We want in this sheet, sheet 1. So the programming should also be given in the same sheet, not here. You have to give the programming here. So double click on this, select worksheet, selection change. I will say with active cell and with Okay. Here dot entire row dot interior dot, I'll take color index is equal to 35. Next is dot entire column dot interior dot color index is equal to 35. Okay. Then I'll give here at the beginning cells interior dot color index is equal to excel none. Okay. Unnecessary spaces I have removed. See, I'll put a apostrophe before this. Apostrophe, single quotation. The moment you put an apostrophe before any line, Excel will not read this. So initially, I want to show you the effect of not having this line. Supposing we have only this much code. Let us see. See? Oh, this is adding up. So at one point of time, everything will become green. So this is needed. The moment you click on this, first you have to, this line gets triggered first. This line will work. It will say, it will remove whatever color is there in that particular cell. It will remove then for all the cells it will do, not for this particular cell, but it will remove colors for any color for all the cells. Okay. Then it will put this particular color 35 for this entire row and for this entire column. Now let us see the effect of this in sheet 1. See, if I select a particular cell, all other cells, see now I have selected this, then I will select this. The earlier selection is the color becomes Excel none, it becomes white. So this will help you to find out the items faster visually. Okay. Then what happens if you make it 37 and 35, blue and green. So you can play with this. Oh, sorry. So if you want yellow for both row and column, then we have at present for columns we are using yellow, no? Column we are using. So if you want yellow for both columns and this, see, it's like this. So what if I take 37? I'll take 39 straight away. Oh, so it works in this way. So thanks friends for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. And if you want some particular video, particular file, particular formula to be seen, kindly write to me in the comments section. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.